Hello students, welcome to Bitcoin Digital Teaching System. I am your maths teacher and today we are learning Countdown 5. So before we start our topic, I would like to advise few tips for effective learning and takes maximum benefits from Bitcoin Digital Learning. So like and subscribe your school channel so don't miss any video. They watch multiple times video till find out the answers. So let's start our question and the question write the numbers and figures giving the spaces correctly. So simply you can write these numbers in figures. Means you have given numbers in words and you can convert it into figures. So our question is 2,500,000. So because of your understanding easy, I can write the place values above the digits. So simply you can write the correct digit down as place value. So 2,500,000. So simply we can write the 2 up down the billion place value. Then 500,000. So we can write 500,000 to 100,000 place values. And we have not given the hundred, tens and ones values, so we can put simply 0 down these places. Next part of this question, 5,740,000,000. So simply you can write the place values first 0 to billion. Then simply you can write down the digits above the place values. So 5 billion, so we can write 5 down the billion place value. Then 740 million, so we can write 100 billion, 10 million and million places to 740. Then we can simply write zeros because we don't have value of 100,000, 10,000, thousands, hundreds, tens and ones. So next part of this question, 8,600,000. So simply we can write the place values first, then we can write 8 down the billion place value. Then we have 600,000. So simply we can write 6 down the 100,000 value. Then we don't have given value of 10,000s, thousands, hundreds, tens and ones. So we can simply put the 0 down these places. So next part of this question, 3,209,740,026. So this is very simple and easy question. So firstly we can write the place values ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions, 10 millions, 100 millions and billions. And simply you can write the digits down the place values. So we have firstly 3 billion, so we can write the billion place value down the 3. Then 209 million, so we can write 100 million to million place values to 209. Then we have 740,000, so we can write 100,000 to thousands place values in 740. Then we have 26, so we don't have 100 place value, so we write 100 place value to 0. Then we write 26 to tens and ones values. Next question is write the place values of the ring digits. So simply you have a question and one of the digits have ring in the question, so simply you have to write the place value of these ring digits. So number one part is 14179623. So because of your understanding better, I can write the place values of these digits, and one of the digits has ring, which number is 7. So simply we can count the place value right hand side to left hand side. So start counting. 3 has place value ones, 2 has place value tens, 6 has place value hundreds, 9 has place value thousands and 7 has place value 10,000s. So we can find the place value, and the 7 has place value 70,000s. So this is the final solution of part 1. Let's start part 2. So question number 2 has 10 number of digits and one of the digits has 9, place value 10 million has circle digits. So again we can start counting right hand side to left hand side. So let's start counting. 5 has place value ones, 0 has place value tens, 6 has place value hundreds, 0 has place value thousands, then next 0 has place value 10,000, 9 has place value 100,000, 0 has place value million, 9 has place value 10 million. So simply we can write 9 as 90 millions. Next part of this question. So simply we can start counting from right hand side to left hand side. So 2 has place value ones, 8 has place value tens, 1 has place value hundreds, 3 has place value thousands, 6 has place value 10,000 and 5 has place value 100,000. So we can write the 5 as 500,000. So number D part has 8 number of digits. So again we can start counting from right hand side to left hand side. So 5 has place value ones, 1 has place value tens, 3 has place value hundreds, 9 has place value thousands, 4 has place value 10,000, 0 has place value 100,000 and 8 has place value million. So simply we can write 8 place value as 8 million. Number E part has a question of digits, 10 digits. So simply we can start counting from right hand side to left hand side. So one is the circle digits and one has place value billion. So simply we can write 1 billion. Number F part has contained also 10 number of digits and ninth digit have circled. So we can again start counting from right hand side to left hand side. So 5 place value has 500 million. So students, this is all about today's lecture. Hope you enjoy it and learn the basic concepts. Don't forget to find out the answers and write the answer in the summer vacation copy within 24 hours to maintain your summer vacation learning as 10 marks included in your final term assessment. Hope to see you in next topic. Thank you.